Hi, today's Pixelmator tutorial is about organizing your brushes. After downloading, the ABR files can be found in the Downloads folder. Here I have two brush sets that I've downloaded from the internet that I would like to add to Pixelmator. But before we do that, let me remind you that we can change the name of the file before we add them. Let's go to this first one. I'm going to go ahead and change this one's name to just Ink Chaos. On this second set, I'll leave it alone so that I can demonstrate how we can change this later after we've added it to Pixelmator. There are two ways to add brushes to Pixelmator. One is the drag and drop technique, and the other is to simply just double-click the file. So I'll go ahead and double-click these two files. First one we'll double-click this one, and it gets added to Pixelmator. Then I'll choose this VZR brushes set and go to its ABR, and I'll double-click it, and it gets added to Pixelmator. Now then, let's go over into Pixelmator and see if the brushes got added. Here's one, Ink Chaos, and then here's the other, the VZR brushes set. This file I saved to show you the drag and drop technique. So with this ABR file, I'm simply going to pick it up, drag it onto the brushes palette, and drop it. And we can see it got added here. If you're not happy with the name of this brush set, I'll show you another way that we can change its name. In OS X 10.6, the way to find the brushes folder for Pixelmator is to go to your Home folder, Library, Application Support, Pixelmator, and finally to Brushes. However, this is a little bit different in OS X 10.7. For 10.7, you must go to your Home folder, Library, Containers, com.pixelmatorteam.pixelmator, Data, Library, Application Support, Pixelmator, and finally Brushes. Since I'm running Lion, we'll have to use this method in order to find the Brushes folder in Pixelmator. Going back to a Finder window, I click my Home folder. Now I have to find the library. We go to the Go option in the toolbar. Then we click Option and the library appears. Once we have our library, we go to Containers, com.pixelmatorteam.pixelmator, Data, Library, Application Support, Pixelmator, and finally Brushes. And here we have all the Pixelmator brushes. Now that we've found our brushes, I can change the names and organize them in any manner that I desire. Here's one that we just downloaded. I think I'll just call this one Sponge Party. Let's see if I can find another one that we downloaded. This Ink Chaos. I kind of like that one, so I'm going to leave that one alone. This VZR brush set is a grunge set, so I'm going to go ahead and rename it Grunge 11, and it will just fall in line here after my Grunge 10. And here it is. And that's about all it takes to organize your brushes folder in Pixelmator. Thank you for watching and have a great day.